Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the topic on which we will have our discussion is time robbers. I will also help you to how these time robbers can help you to bring in the source of time for you all. लाइक टाइम रॉबर्स को ही यूज करके हम लोग हमारा टाइम फॉर डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. ओके, द फर्स्ट टाइम रॉबर दैट आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इज द फ्रेज बस 2 मिनट और 2 मिनट, जस्ट 5 more minutes. ये फ्रेज हम लोग मोस्टली कब यूज करते हैं? व्हेन वी हैव टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. We set our alarm for at 7 a.m. and then it rings and we snoozes it for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, and then it continues and we waste out around 15 to 20 minutes jab we are not even sleeping and not in full woke up condition. So this is the biggest time robber. Basically I would suggest कि you should set the alarm of that point of time when you want to wake up. If you want to wake up at 7, then you should set your alarm at 7 and no snoozing of it at all. Now I'll also tell you how these time robber can help you to increase your time. When you're studying or when you're performing any of your task and you just want to stand up, quitting it or taking a break, at that point of time you should say yourself, only 5 more minutes I will work and then I will take the break. Bas 5 minutes, only 10 minutes, and then these time robbers can increase the time for you. The second time robber that I am discussing is phrase घड़ी का काटा जब 9 पे आ जाएगा और से 5 पे आ जाएगा. Mostly what happens is when you are taking a break or chilling out and you have to go back to your study room or work for working, at that time you say okay काटा 3 पे आने दो or any integer 1 to 12 and then I'll start studying, and those becomes the time robbers. Like seriously, this is the biggest thing whole day you do. Like if you are doing your lunch and you have to go back after lunch, okay 6 पे आने दे काटा फिर मैं चले आऊँगा पढ़ने. This is the biggest thing that I do, my brothers do, my sister and everyone. ठीक है, I don't know what fascination does it bring the integers, but yes they do bring. So how these time robbers can help? While you are studying or while you are performing any of your important activities and you need to go out for a break, at that time you ask yourself, okay I'll study till the next integer on the wall is clicked. Okay, that helps a lot. I hope I don't know whether you all face it or not, but yes, I have started this practice and definitely it is helping me a lot. Next time robber is basically when you are watching your web series or you are watching your television episodes or say Rodi, Splitsvilla, anything to everything. What happens if you are watching it on series, you say okay I'll see one more part, I'll see one more episode. हाँ बस आगे क्या हो रहा है ये देख के जा रहा हूँ, and these becomes the time robbers. I don't know if you agree, but yes, these are what I have heard it from many people. कि एक बार when we start a particular web series or a television, we just continue to see it and see it and see it. Now how these should be controlled? Like basically controlling it is very difficult. Either you should start seeing it at the time when you are very sleepy, because what happens is you see 1-2 parts and then you just switch it off because you are sleepy. How these time robbers can help you? Before taking the break, just say yourself, okay I'll read more 5 pages, I'll do 1 more chapter. And of course these time robbers will bring in more time for you. The next time robber that we all face and can't be helped out is the quarter picture. I call it a quarter picture. Suppose you have a fixed routine, say you have your lunch at 11:30. Mostly what we do is 11:30 we reach for lunch at 11:20 only. If you have any show to watch at 9 o'clock, you will go there at 8:45 only. You will go 15 minutes before in these cases, definitely and definitely. So don't do that if you have your time schedule strict. Just stick to it. How these time robbers can be converted into source of time while studying or while performing your task or while doing your important activities. Just start it early or just end it late. Just say yourself, okay, I'll go, do it 5 more minutes. Just we did it in first time robber, the similar way. Coming to the last time robber, the last time robber is the beginning. It happens that before starting anything, you just take break. You freshen your mind so that you can do it with more enthusiasm and more effectiveness. And this strengthening of your mind takes a lot of time, because if you start watching television or you start watching YouTube in that time, then it will kill a lot of your time. So how this should be done is, if you are doing any particular chapter and you have completed it, before taking the break or before closing the book, just go through the next chapter. Just have a look around it so that you know what you have to study and you have the base set in your mind. This is what helps a lot to start with any of the topic, and the break you need is very low because you know what you have to study and how you have to study. I hope these time robbers and how these time robbers can effectively increase your time has been understood by you. For any queries, you can comment down or you can contact me on my email ID. Thanks for watching. Bye.